ride the train and going to Parramatta. Then Tumi i-pick up sa among bus going to the Snowy Mountain, specifically Mount Selwyn. Among departure time is 11:50 p.m. Corner of Argyle Street and Church Street in Parramatta. Time check, it's 10:51 in the evening. So we're gonna arrive in Parramatta station at exactly 11:01.
Wala kaya ako ng time check. It's 11:20 in the evening.
Firstly, if I could ask you all to please remain seated with seat belts worn at all times, as it is a New South Wales law. And it is for your own safety, because there are many kangaroos that tend to cross the road at night. And every year we do actually experience hitting the kangaroos. And secondly, this is an alcohol and smoke-free coach. If you do wish to smoke, please refrain from doing so until we are at one of our pit stops. And lastly, we do ask that any beverages, except water, and any hot food to not be consumed on this coach. Aussie Tours will provide carrots for those groups who would like to build a snowman.
Sure. The carrot. You ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. One more? Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Good.
Thank you.
I think you're gonna like it.
Yeah, beautiful.
Alright, sure, no worries. Oh my god. Ready. Oh my god. There. Ganina naman to. Hi! Hi mga guys and gals. So we're here in Mount Selwyn. It's a good weather. It's a good day to build a snowman. Tell me, do you want to build a snowman? Buddy?
Dili. Kung nakuha si sa frozen mo.
Si Ola? We're going to the other building to eat our breakfast there. Time check, it's 7:32 in the morning. Ito ni among bus, ng among sakyan.
So dark you cannot see who I'm riding with. Diamond glisten all up in my watch, can tell what time it is. Diamond clusters all up in my watch, they got you blind and shit. I tired of beat up.
Ito na akong husband, turo ko to. Ito ni akong husband.
Malik ni Korean.
Korean food. So this is the map. Selwyn Center.
They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. Make the crowd bouncing like bogles. You can.
Hello guys, we're finished eating our breakfast. We're going outside and probably gonna build a snowman, or we're gonna do the toboggan. We're gonna do tobogganing, you know, sliding, go down the hill. So guys, keep watching. Mwah.
I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock.
Guys, we're going to the toboggan park.
Toboggan Park.
You need a toboggan later, or is that your one? Oh, toboggans? Okay. Guys, check your tickets, please.
Hello guys. So I'm going to do the tobogganing. This is how you gonna do the
was transmitted via a 66cm radio dish on top of aluminum modules that use just 20 watts of power. That's the same energy output as two LED lights.
Iyo, galisod ko sa Hong Kong. Ito klip. Joker, kata namin.
Mamis to. Tsara kita. Hadlok kayo pang anak, no? Si Buddy na sad.
Yan na.
Dili ko mudungan. Okay? Hoy, break na mo ha. Imong tiil, imong gamiton.
Ganda yung anak ko, Lwe.
Ako gini mo ipadyan? Or ikaw lang isa? Sige na. Uy, akong bag ha. Kaluyan na. Ala, ba't di natagak? Ikaw ba?
Buddy.
Iya ba? Ikaw ba?
Hi, Caleb. Hi, boy. Tito ni. Nana si Tito sa snowboy, oh. Na, snowboy, oh. Muna snow, oh. Pag good boy, per me, boy, ha. Kaya para maka-apas ka, siri. Ha? Magtarong school, boy, ha. Bye, love you, boy. Dili magsigig dulag cellphone, boy. Dapat mag-study ka, boy. Para makaanhi ka dari, boy. Ha? Gina, bye-bye. Love you, boy.
Hi, Caleb. Miss you. Mwah. A good boy. Yeah, nagdiniihi ba? Hi guys. So, we just finished making a snowman, building a snowman, and that little guy there is not mine. It's my husband's. And he's not finished yet. And this is my snowman. My dream come true. My dream come true. My finished product. And still my husband doing his snowman. Saan mo na buti?
Muhok.
Muhok. Mas tsada pa man ako.
Muhok na.
So that's mine. Isn't she cute or he cute?
Ay,
This is all left. This is all left. And that is Olo. Papanahimo si Olo. Hello. Time check. It's already 12:27 in the afternoon. And we just finished our 2 snowmen. And I think we're gonna do the last round for toboggan. So guys, ako dari sa toboggan park. Muna siya ang toboggan park. So my husband's going there uphill and he's gonna do the last round for toboggan. And I'm gonna take a video of him. Unfortunately, we don't have signal here. We can't do some live video. See there? They're making snowmen. There.
start na video. Hapit sa gibanggaan. Sa mga hapit mga gibanggaan dito ganina. More hapit sa gibanggaan.
Asa may mong maingon for your first experience?
Kayo parang gusto lang ko. Kira. Ano nabitin ko.
Bye. Excuse me.
Diyan na ako siya. Kay paulit na mi.
Dagan kita tao di ba?
Dagan tao eh. Labot lang ko. Wala akong mga ulo. Grabe sakyan ano.
Half the population ka mga Pinay.
Yup. Dagan Pinay ka.
Asa gito itong sakyan?
Port Stephen. Hi guys. Pasika sa kaning concert challenge kana kanas kaon sa ice. Andar naman gani oh. Oy. Wala ko kabalo anin ko.
Oh, you're filming?
Yeah, it's okay. Filming here.
I think we will. Excuse me. I think our pillows are seats there.
Oh, yeah?
There's a pillow, blue pillow there.
Huh?
In blue. There's a pillow there. Hindi pa daw sa siya.
So,
Pillow.
aman.
Dili mo pillow ito. Find the pillow. Yeah, that's our pillow. It's supposed to be here.
You also looking for a bag?
No, only this one.
No, it doesn't matter. You're meant to be sitting on the same seat that you were before.
Yeah.
That's the point. That's what Francis was trying to say. Yeah, it's just easier.
Someone has occupied our seats.
Oh, we're gonna have to tell them to move too. Can I get you guys to sit in the same seat?
Upuan nyo yan.
Opo.
Ba't nandyan sila?
Kasi may nakapo daw doon sa nila.
Hindi problema nila yun.
Yun nga.
Hindi, tawagin mo yung ano.
That's what Francis is saying. Everyone get back on their same
They have to get back to their own seats. Let them tell them to move out.
So
Yeah.
whoever's sitting in your seat,
Yeah, you have to go back to where you come from.
Yeah.
You have to call the tour guide. She's gonna fix it up.
you're just wasting
That's her
time.
job.
Everyone's seated and the bus can depart. So if you guys can, please make your way back to your original seats.
Yeah.
But things are generally cheaper at Selwyn compared to Thredbo and Perisher.
Buddy.
And that's also why so many people love our one-day tour and they return back because you can enjoy the snow within a reasonable budget. And this usually happens at night when our ideal temperatures are reached. So usually at night or early in the morning. And Selwyn is one of the 4 snow resorts in New South Wales, and I believe it was also the first time for many of